I knew I wanted something beautiful, something meaningful for my family. Have you ever looked at the homeschooling options out there and thought, none of this is really for me? None of this is quite right? That was me. A few years ago, standing in the middle of curriculum catalogs, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, all the social media, I felt quite overwhelmed. I knew I wanted something beautiful, something meaningful for my family. Something that honored my children as whole people and helped them learn and grow in knowledge and virtue. And that's when I discovered Charlotte Mason. It was the perfect combination between what I had in mind and the classical education that I so wanted to like. As a teacher, I knew that I didn't like a lot of textbooks or worksheets or just busy work. I just didn't think and still don't think that those things work for kids. Although, go tell that to my 4-year-old, she really likes busy work. I was looking for a way that would reflect what I believed should be a fulfilling Catholic home and homeschool environment. When I came across the Charlotte Mason methods, it was like windows opened, the light was finally here. It was great. It was still lacking a few little things that were more tailored to the Catholic Church versus just open Christianity. But I thought, this is perfect. This is the base where I can work with. And so this is what I did. I took all her principles and I built upon them. These principles are about living ideas, the atmosphere, and habits that we must teach our kids so that we can build from that base up. The most important part of it all, it was that it took children, and they looked at them as people, whole people that were created in the image and likeness of God. What drew me most was the deepest respect she had for children. Her living books, her living ideas, the exploration of nature, narration as a tool of learning. It was all brilliant, something I hadn't encountered before. It was so simple but yet so rich at the same time. And so much of it aligns beautifully with the Catholic faith. The wonder of creation, the formation of habits, the pursuit of truth, goodness, and beauty, it's all there. I did, however, notice that some things were missing. Many of these Charlotte Mason resources that I was researching were Christian, but not Catholic. Feast days weren't included, liturgical living wasn't included, the sacraments were not present, the saints were missing. I tried to see if I could adapt some of the Protestant curriculums that were beautifully made, but it left me doing a lot of patchwork and it was honestly exhausting. Eventually, I realized I didn't just want to make it work, I wanted something that I would fall in love with. I wanted a fully Charlotte Mason Catholic home. I didn't just want the 2 hours of homeschooling or the 2 hours in here and there that we would spend learning. I wanted a whole life revolving around our Catholic faith and values that was inspired by the Charlotte Mason view of it being an atmosphere, living ideas. I wanted the liturgical year to be present in our day-to-day. I wanted to learn and grow with the saints. I wanted to include all of the little things that are not included in secular and Christian homeschooling curriculums. The main factor is that Christ needs to be at the center of our learning. It must be at the center of our family. And that's why I created the Little Way Academy, to offer a version where Charlotte Mason's wisdom meets Catholic faith values. Inspired by Saint Therese and the liturgical rhythm of the Church, I have built a free framework for us to work with and then certain resources and materials that will help us build this curriculum from the ground up. My goal is to help families homeschool in peace, to help kids learn from the beauty and the truth and the wonderful creation that God has made for us. My goal is to help Catholic families educate their children with purpose, with beauty. It is a Charlotte Mason curriculum, just more sacramental, more saint-filled, just a little way to raise little saints. If you've ever felt torn between two curriculums, or why should I homeschool when I can't really find something that says or screams, this is us, this is me, well, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and see if this is a good fit for you. In the meantime, I have done something just for you. I have created a free Catholic Charlotte Mason starter guide, which you can download below. It's a gentle way to begin with your homeschooling journey, or even just refresh your current homeschooling journey. If this video spoke to you, I encourage you to subscribe. Just click the box below, leave a comment, visit us on Instagram, obviously visit our website, thelittlewayacademy.com, and join this growing community of Catholic moms just like you and me as we walk the little way together. Thanks for being here. I'm so glad we found each other.